Hey guys, this is Owen with Adventure Outings, and today I'm going to show you guys how to waterproof your gear. If you notice that your gear is not keeping you as dry as it used to, or it's soaking through when you're out in the rain, it's a good idea to re-waterproof it. And there's basically two products that we use to do that. They're both from Neek Wax. There's a Tech Wash, which basically cleans out all those pores that will keep your jacket breathable. And then also, once we're done with that, we'll do a spray-on waterproofing spray. And that just helps that water bead up and keep from clogging up your jacket. Both these products, you can get them locally. Get them at Mountain Sports. You can get them at Sports Ltd. Or I guess if you're trapped inside, you can also get them online too. Alright, so here I've got my jacket that I want to wash. It's an older jacket. You want to make sure that everything's all zipped up. You don't want it flying around in the washing machine. Yeah, so it's all zipped up, so I'm going to throw it in. And while I'm washing it, I'm going to wash a bunch of other gear too. Alright, so I'm going to put the Tech Wash here in the washing machine. I got 4 garments in there, which is 5 ounces. This is a 10-ounce container, so I'm going to pour half the container in. Alright, so we're going to run the washing machine on the heavy duty cycle. We're going to do a medium water level, and we're going to do warm water. Alright, so my pants are washed. I've got them hung up here, used a piece of wire. Got them hanging in a nice spot outside so I'm not making a mess. Basically, I'm just going to spray on my waterproofing spray. I'm going to hold it 6 inches away. Just get a nice even coating, and if I get any drips or anything, I've got a damp rag here that I can wipe it up with. Now I'm going to wipe off all the drips with a damp rag. Now I'm going to let the pants air dry and they'll be ready to go.